Ecala ngizoqala ngokubonga abo coach from the start isiqale ukujima silungiselela le game yena le Madlenya. So ngibonga kakhulu bo coach kulento abasinika yona information ekhona. Ngibonga kakhulu ifamily embabane Highlanders nawo ngama supporters ukusupporta ngisonke isikhathi. So for the performance we train hard to get this 3 points. So we thank for the coaches and technical staff, everyone ukhona ngembabane Highlanders. Siyabonga kakhulu.
How is today's win important to the team since you are coming from 2 defeats, one from Singizwe and that one from the derby? How is today's win important for the team going forward?
It's very important kakhulu this 3 points because it was tough, but vele besilindele ukuthi ayidinga kakhulu 3 points because sitobuyisa isimo se-team sikhona ukusebenza ngokukhanda because it us enale team ukuthi iphumelele sonke isikhathi. Ngibonga kakhulu ama-cheater lesebenze nawo ukuthi sigcine sithole 3 points vele besiyidinga kakhulu. Yabo. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.